One altcoin has been skyrocketing amid the market pullback, and Ark Invest Cathie Woods says this about the future of Solana. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz Alpha wants to congratulate you all on a very profitable month of November. Bitcoin rallied past $35,000, is now hovering around 44. On November 4th, we published an alpha report and mentioned the Bitcoin targets. As we had a target in mind, we planned our November strategy meticulously, and we all achieved our targets. We had overall 61% profit in Bitcoin, 2x profit on 6 of our portfolio coins, 3x profit on our gem calls, 3 to 5x profits on 4 IDOs, and $1,800 profit on buy and sell calls. Join Altcoin Buzz Alpha for only $15 a month and get an 8% discount on yearly subscriptions. Check out the description for more details. There's been extensive debate about whether the launch of a spot Bitcoin ETF will lead to a price correction after the initial excitement from investors subsides. While some arguments hold merit, they overlook the broader perspective. The approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF will be a game changer in various aspects, including volatility, correlation with traditional financial assets, and market liquidity. While the SEC's decision to limit spot Bitcoin ETFs to cash-only creation and redemption may not be the ideal tax solution for investors, it dismisses regulatory concerns, as every Bitcoin held by these funds must be acquired from intermediaries pre-approved by the SEC. Essentially, the approval of the spot ETF significantly reduces regulatory risk. This difference also benefits investment advisors, as it spares potential investors from dealing with Bitcoin transactions. Investors themselves often prefer instruments that do not require specific tax regulations, making the ETF a much simpler option compared to direct cryptocurrency investments. These changes may initially appear uneventful, with the impact of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval not necessarily occurring in the first few hours or days. However, when these favorable trends gain full momentum, it's not likely that Bitcoin will trade below $100,000 again, and billionaire and venture capitalist Tim Draper has predicted that Bitcoin will reach $250,000 in 2024. Moreover, Draper stated that he expects his prediction to probably come pretty soon, while stating that the price should go way past the forecast. Draper is one of many that have predicted a rapid upswing for the asset in the coming year, amid the hype over the potential U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of the country's first spot Bitcoin ETF. Draper commented on his previous Bitcoin prediction that the asset would reach $250,000 from $4,000 in just 4 years, saying, "When I predicted that, what I didn't expect was how fearful and just old thinking the US would be. I think with a receptive US, we would be having conversations like the ones I have with people from El Salvador." Draper added that we're currently going through the boom cycle. "I think this year we may see $250,000, and I actually think that if $250,000 is hit, it'll go way past it." Conversely, he discussed the role of smart contracts in Bitcoin. Specifically, he expressed its place in bringing about a new economy with far less friction. Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel to see how he's playing this current market. Sei is the first sector-specific Layer 1 blockchain specialized for trading and has been rallying massively over the past week, going from 23 cents all the way to 53 cents in a matter of days. The anticipation surrounding Sei V2 and parallelized blockchains has undoubtedly fueled investor optimism. The Sei network wrote on X saying this year went by fast. Join us as we reflect on an incredible journey in a Special Spaces event with Jay Endra, a co-founder of Sei Labs. It's a time to celebrate our achievements, reflect on our journey, and get excited about what's next. The innovative Sei V2 and the evolution of parallelized blockchains. They plan to have the spaces this Friday, which will give more information on Sei V2. Hess on X also wrote that we're witnessing another rally for Sei. Meanwhile, for the first time in a 30-day time frame, the trading volume for the Sei network surpassed $20 million, with the majority taking place through Ash Report. 8,400 unique users, 65,000 transactions, and $21.8 million in volume. Our partners at OpenFabric AI are taking off and have new listings on centralized exchanges today. OpenFabric AI is a decentralized Layer 1 AI protocol for building and connecting AI applications where they've harnessed the power of blockchain, advanced cryptography, and novel infrastructure to create a new foundation for AI apps. In their ecosystem, everyone has quick, easy, low-cost, and hassle-free access to powerful AIs. OpenFabric's OFN token has been listed on KuCoin, BitGet, PancakeSwap, and today is being listed on Mexc to make it even easier to get. Check out OpenFabric AI with the link down below. Solana has continued to record significant gains in recent times, ranking among the best performing coins. Solana surged 49% in the past week alone, surpassing the $100 mark. Notably, Sol is up 58% in 2 weeks and 93% over the past 90 days. Following its remarkable rally, Sol flipped XRP last week to become the fifth largest cryptocurrency and briefly overtook BNB for the fourth spot before retracing slightly. Decentralized finance projects on Solana have attracted the interest of crypto investors, and this is reflected in the massive spike of Solana's total value locked, or TVL. Solana's TVL has experienced steady growth since October 13th, 2023, when it had a mere $310 million locked across over 100 DeFi platforms. The network's TVL has now surpassed $1 billion to approximately $1.53 billion. In addition, there is growing interest in Solana among crypto whales. These whales are seen moving huge amounts of Sol coins to and from exchanges. According to Whale Alert, crypto whales have shuffled 4.31 million Sol, equivalent to $265 million over the past day. The most significant whale activity involved the movement of 2 million Sol transferred from Binance to an unknown wallet. Notably, interest in Solana surged rapidly following the launch of a meme coin Bonk. Many traders who missed out on the Bonk rally are hoping to position themselves as they anticipate the next meme coin on Solana that could give them massive profits. Ark Invest Cathie Woods also recently spoke on why she's bullish on Solana for the future, saying this.
To have watched Solana after last year's controversy with FTX being such a big supporter of Solana, and to watch the developers stick with Solana is speaks volumes to us. I always say follow the developers, and they certainly stuck with Solana, and they are also scaling in terms of Ethereum as well. So we think those are two powerful networks in the decentralized finance space. And we also think that this notion of DeFi, decentralized finance, that, if people just start looking at it and thinking about it as simply the internet financial system. The internet in the early days was never conceived of as hosting commerce or financial services. And so developers back then didn't build in that capability. All that's happening now with Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana is developers are building in native currencies and much more streamlined, fewer intermediaries, streamlined ways of dealing in the financial system. Much more efficient, much more productive, just like the internet itself.
While the rest of the cryptocurrency market has come under strong selling pressure, Polygon's native cryptocurrency Matic is up by 10%, shooting it past the $1 level. Amid the recent price rally, Matic also extends its weekly gains to more than 30%. During the last week, strong accumulation was visible among Polygon Matic whales, and in recent days, large Matic whales have once again shown bullish behavior after reducing their holdings earlier this month. Since December 16th, addresses holding between 1 million and 10 million Matic have increased their holdings by 55 million Matic tokens, equivalent to over $44 million. According to Polygon's co-founder Sandeep, Polygon has displayed a bullish tendency, overcoming a challenging year to emerge stronger. Polygon's founder Sandeep has openly embraced the platform's underdog status. Despite the challenges of 2023, he finds liberation in returning to Polygon's roots. The platform's essential features fuel Sandeep's optimism, and at the same time, billionaire Mark Cuban transferred 2.82 million Matic tokens worth $2.56 million to Coinbase, leading to a temporary drop in Matic's price. This action follows Cuban's involvement in a joint amicus brief with Elon Musk, challenging the United States Securities and Exchange Commission's approach to in-house trials. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.